तुमने क्या किया? What did you do? What did you do? उल्टे जवाब मत दो। Don't talk back. Don't talk back. क्या कहा तुमने? What did you say? What did you say? चाय को गर्म कर दो। Heat up the tea. Heat up the tea. तुम लंगड़ा क्यों रहे हो? Why are you limping? Why are you limping? ये हुई ना बात। That's the spirit. That's the spirit. जल्दबाजी मत करो। Don't be hasty. Don't be hasty. यह मेरी गलती नहीं है। It's not my fault. It's not my fault. वह घर पर हो सकता है। He could be at home. He could be at home. उसने मुझे धोखा दिया। He cheated me. He cheated me. शुरुआत तुमने की थी। You had started. You had started. मैं उसे नहीं छोड़ूंगा। I will not spare him. I will not spare him. मुझे चोट लग गई है। I have got hurt. I have got hurt. मैं तुमसे ज़्यादा खूबसूरत हूँ। I am more beautiful than you. I am more beautiful than you. मैं तुमसे ज़्यादा सुंदर हूँ। I am more beautiful than you. I am more beautiful than you. मैं नतीजे से खुश हूँ। I am pleased with the result. I am pleased with the result. मैंने दूध की 2 बोतलें खरीदी। I bought 2 bottles of milk. I bought 2 bottles of milk. मैं तुम्हें यह करने नहीं दे सकता। I can't allow you to do that. I can't allow you to do that. मैं उस बारे में कुछ बोल नहीं सकता। I can't really talk about it. I can't really talk about it. मैं नहीं चाहता था कि ऐसा हो। I did not want this to happen. I did not want this to happen. मुझे अभी खाना खाने का मन नहीं है। I don't feel like eating now. I don't feel like eating now. मुझे कॉफ़ी पीना पसंद नहीं। I don't like to drink coffee. I don't like to drink coffee. मैंने हिरन के पैरों के निशानों का पीछा किया। I followed the deer's tracks. I followed the deer's tracks. मैंने 1 साल के लिए सिगरेट पीना छोड़ दिया था। I gave up smoking for a year. I gave up smoking for a year. मुझे पीठ में पूरी तरह से दर्द हो रहा है। I have a bad pain in my back. I have a bad pain in my back. मैंने उसको अपनी कामयाबी के बारे में बताया। I informed her of my success. I informed her of my success. मुझे विज्ञान और गणित दोनों पसंद हैं। I like both science and math. I like both science and math. मैंने उसके साथ तुम्हारा नाम लिया था। I mentioned your name to him. I mentioned your name to him. सब लोग मुझ पर हंसे। I was laughed at by everyone. I was laughed at by everyone. मैं वहाँ दसियों बार जा चुका हूँ। I went there dozens of times. I went there dozens of times. मैंने पूरे दिन खेत में काम किया। I worked on the farm all day. I worked on the farm all day. मैं उसकी सुरक्षा के लिए परेशान हूँ। I am anxious about his safety. I am anxious about his safety. मैं 11 बजे की ट्रेन पकड़ रहा हूँ। I am catching the 11 train. I am catching the 11 train. वह ईमानदार लगता है। It appears that he is honest. He appears that he is honest. छोटी उम्र में मरना उसके भाग्य में था। It was her fate to die young. It was her fate to die young. यह उसकी चिट्ठी का जवाब है। It's an answer to her letter. It's an answer to her letter. उससे बहस करने में कोई फायदा नहीं है। It's no use arguing with him. It's no use arguing with him. नीचे रहो नहीं तो तुम्हें गोली लग जाएगी। Keep down or you will be shot. Keep down or you will be shot. ज़्यादातर लोगों को टीवी देखना अच्छा लगता है। Most people like watching TV. Most people like watching TV. मेरे भाई की याददाश्त अच्छी है। My brother has a good memory. My brother has a good memory. मेरे पापा अभी अभी घर वापस आए हैं। My father has just come home. My father has just come home. वह भौतिक विज्ञान समझता है। He understands physics. He understands physics. वह बस अभी आता होगा। He will soon come back. He will soon come back. वह थोड़ी देर में वापस आ रहा है। He will soon come back. He will soon come back. मैंने उससे वह करने को कहा था। I asked him to do that. I asked him to do that. मैं भगवान में यकीन नहीं करता। I don't believe in God. I don't believe in God. यह रेशम जैसा लगता है। This feels like silk. This feels like silk.